Morning everybody, and welcome to 9km by 9am. I'm Nigel, author of Walking Back to Happiness, and today I'm doing another Go Sober tip, and this one is from the philosopher Nietzsche, and it's a quote that really resonates with me, and it's, "He who has a why to live for can bear almost any how." So what does this mean? Well, write down your why for doing this, your why for going alcohol free. And that could be yourself, your own health. It could be your family, your loved ones, your children, your grandchildren, or your partner. And that's the why that drives you. So anything that stands in your way, that could be cravings or social pressure, can just be smashed, just like that, if you have a why. And it's that simple. So he who has a why to live for can bear almost any how. Have a great day.